nice enough to be in a YouTube video.
Yeah.
See? And Brooke. Last time she wasn't wearing any pants.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna have this party go on. You're gonna see why. Hey, you guys ready?
Do not actually do it.
Just cooked it. Ow, it's hot.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't open this.
Yeah, open it!
No!
Yeah, do it! Let's do it this week!
It's not gonna.
That's on! No, go!
Keep going!
No! It's for YouTube! Do it for the YouTube!
baby.
Go!
No, it's going down.
Comment below Alyssa's bombing. I'll
Then
do
why
it.
am I opening it?
Because you're not opening, so stuff can come out. Alyssa's bombing. She didn't freaking open
Hannah,
it.
we need to do something rather than mannequin challenge.
Fine, do you want to open it at your house?
Yeah, get out of my house! Wait, what time is it? Alyssa, we have like 34 minutes here, then we gotta go to my house.
Hey, Hannah, where to watch?
Who is this from?
Hannah, you should really videotape this.
When Brooke goes mad.
It is like.
When Alyssa watches Hannah Montana from 20 years ago.
I'm just like, when was this?
Like, it stopped in 2006.
Okay.
Hannah, watch out.
Stop.
I
I got you.
This is Rascal.
Yeah.
That is Diesel.
Yeah.
Diesel, let's go! Is that doggy? Let's go potty in Alyssa's room.
And also, hold the.
Alyssa, help me. No, you can't hold it that way. Alyssa, what are we doing?
Hiding from a mean guy.
Yeah, there's a mean guy outside. And yeah. So I'm hiding in the food closet. And Alyssa's eating food.
He's watching Hannah Montana.
Yeah, this is like, wait, what grade did I get in? How old is he? It's like a kid's like maybe like my age. He's watching Hannah Montana.
Will be bad sometimes, or my hair won't look that great, but it's like that is a real person, and that's what at the end of the day people did love about Hannah, as she was real, because I was real. Most kids when they
It's already time.
Why are you making a YouTube video?
Wait, your TV went on the wall.
Talking about earlier.
Or Alyssa. This is her little room.
Yeah.
Let's look at this is where you learn how to
Alyssa's building her room down here. Let's see what it looks like. It's this room, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you got rid of some of the stuff. You got rid of the dollhouse, stuff like that. I hope you fix this window. That is good.
It's fixed now.
But you put this down here. The squishy thingy.
The window's fixed.
No, I mean like cover it up like
Yeah, I know. We're gonna take
stuff like that.
And then we're getting me a new bed, because that bed is not comfortable.
Oh, watch this, Alyssa. This could like go around this.
Watch this. Wait.
Comment down below if this lights are cool. Right now it's just going through, so this is green right now. This is gonna be Alyssa's new room. I don't know why she was asleep on camera. Yeah! It's Alyssa! That Ricky kid is so beyond.
He's special.
Is he special of the special?
Huh?
Is he special of the special?
No.
Oh my god. It's on.
No! They're not working. Huh.
Huh. So guys, it's about to get really dark in here. It just looks like a notch on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, let's go into the wild. Hey, light flashlight!
To do tricks?
What is he talking? Okay, wait, no, Alyssa, give me it. Okay, guys, we'll just play the ping pong by ourselves. As you can see, I stop. You're the best.
I'm the first day of school. My mommy keeps you up.
It's that far. shaking.
That's a store of seaweed.
It's really warm over here, but it's cold over there.
Hannah.
See, I don't know what ping pong. We don't know how to play ping pong. Alyssa's done what she's doing, but Alyssa's a pretty ballerina. Are you acting like you're cool? Baxton, you don't look very. Ah! You were like pinching me.
Trying.
Alyssa. Cool.
Alex, you better not lose that.
I'm going upstairs.
Me too.
Bye. Oh, this is way better. That was so good. Like, what is wrong with that guy? Watch how he dances. Like, sensor dancing right there. That was so good. Like, what is wrong with that guy? Watch how he dances. Like, sensor dancing right there.
I got it for Christmas a long time ago. Or I think it may be my...
Oh, this is Dog Chick Fails.
Huh?
Dog Chick Fails. That's not a fail, that's low. So Rascal is going to go being played with? That is Diesel.
This is Rascal.
To see you guys
Later.
later.